Hello, and let's go over the pen from center material function. The name kind of says it, it pens things from the center. Let's preview this texture sample for now. There we go. And plug in the horizontal one. And now it pens horizontally from the center. You plug in the vertical one. It pens vertically. And the horizvert does both, like this. Now, you can tweak all these values separately. So for the horizontal pen speed, you can do this. And at 1, it scrolls inwards, -1, it scrolls outwards, and anything in between and beyond, of course. There's also the third pen speed. There, -1, at 1 it goes inwards. And you could do the same for the horizvert. You can change the UV channels in case you really need to, and as always you can use some distortion to add an additional nice distortion effect to it if you want. You can also tweak the texture scale. So at 1 and 1 it's identical as it always is, but you can also do something like this. Or actually smaller, like that. Now, at its own, it doesn't seem that useful, but you can actually make some quite nice, cool things with it. Let me get a diamond gradient, for instance. I'm going to preview that so you can see what it does. And I'm going to grab this material over here, and I'm going to multiply these together. Sometimes the multiply add might work better, but and at the moment that doesn't look too good. Let me change these back to about 1 and 1 and invert the pen speed -0.33 or something. Oh. And now you have something like this, and that actually looks quite interesting. I think if I'm correct you can still add a rotator to it. There. Now let's make it a little bit faster. 0.5. And now you have this kind of effect. You can still tweak the texture scales, of course. So 2 gives you something more like that. 0.5 and 0.4, that gives you something like this. And you can use any kind of gradient, whatever you want. Add some additional oomph to it. Let me grab another texture just to give another example. There, plug this in instead. And I have something more that's like this. Oh, there. And there. Let's grab another noise for funsies. That one, I think. So you can play around with it and until you have something that's really cool and neat. And just add some additional effect. So I guess that's it. Take care.